Hi there guys, and today I'm going to be showing you the memory upgrade for the Apple Powermac G4 Quicksilver 733 megahertz. As you can see, here's the Quicksilver and there's the memory. So I'm going to open up the case, pretty simple, like so, and they'll be going into these memory slots right there. Now, for information purposes, the Apple Powermac G4 Quicksilver series only take PC133 megahertz memory, and that is SDRAM and 168 pin. So, which I have here. I have 3 of them. So, I'm going to start by picking up one of them and attempt to install it. So here it goes. Now, firstly, I've got to put the memory in between these white clips right there. And all you have to do is, once that's in and it's the right way around, making sure that it is, you just put some pressure on either side, making sure the clip clicks in, like so, and do so for each memory module. And here it goes again. That's right, that's in. Yep, I'm making sure about just now. And the last one, like so. So that was that. Make sure that they're securely in place by checking the white clips on each side. And that was a memory upgrade for the Apple Powermac G4 Quicksilver 733 megahertz. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Keep tuned. Via the Babs way.